Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see the next question from the topic oscillation. The displacement of a harmonic oscillator is given by x is equals to alpha sin omega t plus beta cos omega t. Then the amplitude of oscillator is option A alpha, option B beta, option C alpha plus beta, option D alpha square plus beta square raised to half. Friends, in this question, alpha and beta, these are the amplitude, and again we should remember that one is a sine function and other is a cosine function, so the phase angle between them is a pi by 2. So here we have to use the formula of the resultant amplitude. R is equals to under root a1 square plus a2 square minus twice a1 a2 cos of phi, and then we'll get the answer. Now we'll see the solution of this question. Friends, as I have told you here, the formula is R is equals to under root a1 square plus a2 square minus twice a1 a2 cos of here phase angle we have to take alpha 1 minus alpha 2, and this value is nothing but we have to take the pi by 2, and as we know that the cos of pi by 2 is nothing but the 0, so our final answer is the alpha square plus beta square root of alpha square plus beta square. So the answer for the option question number first is the option number D, that is the alpha square plus beta square raised to half. Now we'll see the second question. The second question says if the length of a simple pendulum is increased by 44%, what then what is the change in the time period of the pendulum? Option A 22%, option B 20%, option C 33%, option D 44%. Friends, in this question the increase in the length 44% is very important. Suppose the original length is a L, and when we are saying the increase by 44, then we should add L plus 44%. So that thing we should remember. Now here we have to apply the formula of period of simple pendulum. T is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G, and based on that we'll see the solution of this question. Friends, as we know that the T is directly proportional to the root L, and here as I have told you that L2 is equals to 44% of L1 means 1 plus 44 means percent means 0 upon 0.44. if we'll take, then that is added here, so 1.44, that is the length here, and that we have to use here. So when we are using there, you can observe that the T2 upon T1 is equals to under root 1.44, and if we will take the square root, that is the 1.2. Now in the given question, the increase in the length is asked. So in order to calculate the increase in length, we have used the formula. In order to calculate the change in the time period, T2 minus T1 upon T1 we have to take into consideration. So 1.2 minus 1 upon 1, so that is 0.2, and in terms of the percentage it is a 20%. Friends, this is very important question regarding with the simple pendulum. In many examination this question is asked. So as per the solution, option number B is the correct answer for the question number second. Now question number third, the time period of simple pendulum of infinitely long length is R, that is the radius of earth. Then the formula is T is equals to 2 pi under root R upon G. T is equals to 2 pi R upon root 2G. T is equals to 2 pi under root 2R upon G, and T is equals to infinite. Friends, in this question, if we look the word length is R, so as we know the formula of the simple pendulum is that T is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G. Now in this question the L is replaced with the R, so option number A is the correct for the question number 3. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 says a particle execute SHM with a period of 6 seconds and the amplitude 3 centimeter. Its maximum speed in centimeter per second is pi by 2, pi, 2 pi and 3 pi. These are the options. So friends, in the given question, the word period 6 seconds, that is very important, and again amplitude a is equals to 3 centimeter is very important. We know the formula v is equals to a omega. Using this formula we are going to solve the answer of the given question. Now we'll go to the solution of this question. Now, as I have told you that the v is equals to a omega, the value of a is 3, omega is equals to 2 pi by t, and as we are substituting here 2 pi by t, the value of t we have got as a 6 seconds, 6 will be get cancelled there. So finally we are getting the answer as a pi for this question. So the answer for the question number 4 is option number B, that is a pi. Now we'll move to the question number 5th. Two particles starts vibrating together in SHM starting from their mean position. If the periods are 40 seconds and the 60 seconds respectively, their phase difference after 20 seconds from the start will be option A 60 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 30 degree, option D 120 degree. Friends, in this question the period 40 seconds and the 60 seconds are very important, and again the phase difference after the 20 seconds, this word is also very important. Friends, in this question I am going to give you the standard formula. In that you should try to substitute and try to find the answer. For this question option A is the correct. So how to solve that I am going to explain you, and I am going to give you the hint. Try to solve this question. Friends, for the question number 5th, I am giving you the hint that the delta is equals to phase difference is equals to delta 1 minus delta 2. Here delta 1 is equals to omega 1 t and delta 2 is equals to omega 2 into t. So 2 pi t1 upon 2 pi t2 multiplied by the small t. Try to put these values so that you will get the correct answer for this question. So this question you have to solve. I think option number A is the correct. You should check by substituting the values in the given formula. Now change in length, we know the formula, basic formula, that is a period of simple pendulum t is equals to 2 pi under root l upon g. Now if we are taking the in terms of the frequency, the reciprocal of period is nothing but the frequency. So here if we are taking the frequency, then we can write that L1 minus L2 is equals to G1 minus G2 upon n square. Now how does this come? So you can understood that L is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G, and if I am taking the frequency, then n is equals to 1 upon t. So we have to take the reciprocal, so G upon L that will comes here, and then we have to take out the square. So in this way we have modified this formula. Now as per the given question, you have to substitute the values of the G1 to G2, 9.8 minus 9.5, and here the frequency have the value 10. So 0.3 upon 10 is nothing but the 0.03 meter. So the change in length is a 3 centimeter. So without changing the period. So that is the correct answer for this question. So for the question number 3, option number D, that is a 3 centimeter is the correct answer. Now we'll move to the question number 7. The question number says that a particle executing SHM has the total energy of 20 joule If the potential energy of the particle at the midway between the mean and extreme position is a 5 joule, then the average kinetic energy will be. Friends, in this question, 20 joule is the total energy, and if the particle has a potential energy at the midway, potential energy of the particle at the midway between mean and the extreme position is a 5 joule that is given. So what is the average kinetic energy is asked here. So the average kinetic energy is half that of the total energy. So total energy is a 20 joule. If we'll do the half of the 20 joule, then we are getting as a 10 joule. So that is the correct answer. So remember, average kinetic energy is a half of the total energy, and in here the total energy is 20 joule. So 20, the half of the 20 is nothing but the 10 joule. So option number A is the correct. So friends, I hope you have understood this question. Write the questions and then try to write the solution with the proper explanation. Thank you. Have a nice day.